is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8.
Hi little pals, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use CapCut. Just a little basic overview of how to use it and how to edit with it. So let's get started. So to start editing your project, you're going to need to click New Project at the top. Then just select your video or picture. You might have multiple ones, but you can select them all at the same time just by clicking the little circles in the upper right hand corner. Okay, so then you just wait for that to load. Mine loaded really quick because it's a really quick video. Dragging your finger side to side will move this little line. And when this little line moves, it moves the part of the video that you're on. And then if you want to click play, just click this little triangle here. So now I have 2 clips. So now if I click edit on this one, it selects the pink. And if I click edit on this one, it selects the video of Lily. And then audio, that adds your sound. So if you want to click voiceover, then that will you can hold down on it and it will record your own voice. And if you click extracted, it will take some sound out of a video. If you click effects, it will give you some of their effects in the app. And sounds will be sounds in the app and also some videos that you've previously extracted. And then text. This is how you add some font, like some words. So I'm just gonna type hello sub to Lily. And then if you want to change that, you can just select it by clicking on it and click style, and you can change it here, like with the basic ones they have, just by clicking on there. Or you can go to effects and change it. You can do whatever you want to. Your little text is done. I'm just gonna move that into the corner because I'm gonna add some more things later. And then next, stickers. You can just click on stickers and then you can add any of the ones that are already here. Or, okay, there we go. Or you can click on this little photo icon and add some of your own stickers, which are photos of your camera roll. Oh, I forgot to show you text template. So these are just some little templates you can add to your text just to make it a little bit more fun. I love October. So yeah, that's really cute. And oh my gosh, it waves too. That is adorable. So I'm gonna move that one too, just because I want it out the way, even though I think it's really cute. So yeah, there you go. You got some cute little effects there. Okay, next, overlay. So you can just add something on top of your video that's already there. So I'm just gonna add this cute little wavy thing on top. And then, yeah, you can drag this little bar to make it longer or shorter. I forgot to tell you guys that. Next is effects. So let's see, which video effect should I choose? Oh, I forgot to explain to you. Video effects are just little things that add spice to your video. I add these in every single video we make. I'm just gonna add some stars for Halloween. So yeah, that just makes it a little bit more fancy, I feel like. And body effects, I don't really know what they do, but that is something for you to explore. It does pretty much the same thing as video effects, though it just does it to like a body, so like a human. Then filters. So this will just add a filter to your video. And format. This changes your video's formatting. So basically just the size of your video. Then canvas. This changes the background behind your video. So if I shrink this really quick by using my fingers and pinching, then you can see I changed the background to red. Adjust. This is just basically like filter, but it just adjusts it slightly. Next thing is things that you can do only when you click on the video. So select the video or image, and you see there are a few more things here. So I'm just going to show you what the extra things that I haven't reviewed mean. So this first one is split. This splits the video into 2 parts, so now you can hold down on it and move it if you want to. Speed. This changes how fast the video is. You can also make a curve. This is good for edits. Volume. It just makes the video louder or quieter. Animation. This one is really good too. I like to add these all the time, and I think that you should too. I'm just gonna add this one. Cute, but not really. You know, you'll obviously add one to the video before. Let's go ahead and do that really quick just to show you an example. So I'm gonna add an out animation. I'm just gonna add fade out. And then, as you see, if you watch it, it fades out, and then that one shakes down. And delete, that will just get rid of the video that you're clicking or image that you're clicking on. Remove background. This one does not typically work well for me. As you can see, it removed everything except for this little orange thing right there. It just removes the background. It selects what it thinks you want it to. Style, this is also just normally works for people. Extract audio, that will take the audio from the video that you have selected on, and it will get separate it into one like this. And then edit, this is how you can crop your image by yourself. Enhance, this is just like a beauty filter mask. This will take a little bit of your video and only show that. So let's say I want only her head to be in like a heart or something. Cute, lovely you, Lily. Yay, so now I have Lily's head and a heart. We have chroma key. So this will get rid of one color. Let's go ahead and go to our overlay and select that, and then go to chroma key on there. And I'm just gonna get rid of this orange color. So then I'll click on intensity and move it up as much as I want to. Overlay, so this will just move your video and make it into an overlay. Replace, this will just give you another video to replace it with. Stabilize, I'm not actually sure what this does. Comment down below what that button does. Next is opacity, and this will just make your video more or less transparent. So bye bye Lily, and then she comes back, yay. And then voice effects, this you can use for audio in a video. Copy, that will just duplicate your video. Reverse, that will make your video go backwards. And freeze, that will pick the frame that you selected. So let's say I really want to freeze this frame of Lily right here because I think she looks really cute. So I'm just gonna click freeze. And then there we go. Her face is frozen. That is all that I really know on these buttons down here. If you have any questions about it, just comment down below. And up here, this is just the quality. And then this button up here is export button. I don't want to actually export mine though, so I'm going to X that out. And yeah, that's really all in CapCut. Yay, you learned how to use CapCut now.